What's up, YouTube world? It's your boy Styles out here. You already know. Check out this mud view. We're at the highest point right now in the Barbados. We just came from Rihanna's born and raised house she was in. Y'all. Hey guys, back at you with another video. Just touched down in Island of Barbados. It's kind of loud right now. You might not be able to hear me properly, but as you can see, take a look around. Right now we're in the main terminal area where the boat's docking from. So as you can see, everyone just picking up some snacks and gifts to take back home. They got a lot of stores in here, like the Rolex store, duty frees, but if you're in Barbados, don't come to duty free here. Liquor and everything's overpriced. Now, touchdown on the island, and now the first thing that we came to see, and the most famous artist from Barbados, everyone knows her, Rihanna. Right now we're at the house that she was born and raised at. As you can see, it's a little small house. It's nice. I'm gonna show you a little.
Yep. Cereal?
Yeah, it's the brand name, right?
Surprise, I got a little baby monkey, same type of ones I'm trying to get for myself. It's so cute. You guys gotta take a look at that. You'll see it soon. Everything's gonna be on the channel. You already.
Hello. Ay, mira, sí. Ay, qué chulería. Ay, qué lindo. Ay, qué linda. Deja ver si miro para acá. Ay, qué lindo.
GoPro, stop recording. I want to see when the water's gonna hit me. I'll be lit. That's a pussy wave. Merry Christmas from Barbados. You already know we're out here. We just hit up Barbados. It was a wicked time. We went to the mountaintop, 1,500 feet above the mountaintop. Then we went to go check out the beach. Flew the drone by the beach, got a nasty view. And then we met the little baby monkey. You guys gonna see the baby monkey at 4K. You're gonna see the baby monkey in 4K. He climbed up on my hand, on my shoulders. It was crazy. It was a crazy experience. Cheers, guys. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. You already know it's your boy Styles. Check it.